कहते हैं अपनी शेफ पे नजर रखो नहीं तो कोई ले जाएगा.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Word Visit by Dolly, and today let's learn English with exciting words and phrases from Priyanka Chopra's episode on Coffee with Karan. So by the end of this video, you will know the meanings and how to use them in your daily conversations like a pro. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started.
As in, what else is your adrenaline rush then?
Life.
Adrenaline rush means a sudden feeling of excitement, energy, or fear. For example, I got an adrenaline rush while riding the roller coaster, or scoring the winning goal gave me an adrenaline rush.
Where it's been. I mean, I don't think it's a journey you even envisaged for yourself.
Not
at
even
all.
me. I mean,
Envisaged means to imagine or plan something in your mind. For example, she envisaged her dream house with a big garden. Or, I have envisaged a future where I am successful and happy.
Zone. Do you think that that was a stepping stone, or do you think
A stepping stone means something that helps you move closer to a goal. For example, learning English is a stepping stone to better opportunities. Or, this job is a stepping stone to my dream career.
you're presenting awards at the most prolific platforms? You're like on every lead talk show. The world knows you.
Prolific means someone who produces a lot of work or results. For example, she is a prolific writer with many published books, or he is a prolific artist, completing 3 paintings a week.
I was
in
feeling
New
so
York.
homesick when
Yeah.
you all came over there, and I was
Homesick means feeling sad because you miss home. For example, I felt homesick during my first week at college. Or she called her family because she was homesick.
soft. You just throw away your words, and you have to make sure you don't enunciate, which is the opposite of what I was taught growing up.
Enunciate means to pronounce words clearly. For example, he was asked to enunciate his words during the speech. Or, good communication starts with enunciating properly.
And I don't mean it as cliched as racism, but
Cliche means an idea or phrase that is overused and no longer original. For example, the phrase love at first sight is a cliche, or the movie ended with a cliche of happily ever after.
and that is your cue to get the hell out of there.
Cue means a signal or reminder to do something. For example, the teacher's nod was my cue to start speaking, or the actor entered the stage on his cue.
But meetings and stuff, anyway, are a little pretentious.
Pretentious means acting like you are more important or talented than you actually are. For example, the pretentious man kept bragging about his expensive watch. Or he sounded pretentious when he used big words to impress others.
It's all sorted.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah.
So far, so good means everything is going well up to this point. For example, we are halfway through the trip, and so far, so good. Or, I've been studying for 2 hours, and so far, so good.
Karan, for me, doing what I did was like breaking concrete. And
Yeah.
Breaking concrete means doing something that feels tough or impossible. For example, convincing her parents was like breaking concrete, or learning a new language can feel like breaking concrete at first.
Or I don't want to be the stereotype of, the exotic pretty girl, or
A
like,
stereotype means a fixed idea about a group of people that may not be true. For example, the stereotype that all doctors are rich is not true, or she proved the stereotype about women in science wrong.
We're like kind of emulating that zone
Right.
suddenly like that.
Emulating means trying to be like someone you admire. For example, I am emulating my teacher's dedication to learning, or he tries to emulate his favorite football player.
and whatever.
Hearing that obnoxious music.
Yeah.
Okay.
Obnoxious means being very annoying or unpleasant. For example, the obnoxious child kept interrupting everyone at dinner, or that loud music was so obnoxious it gave me a headache.
I have given up coffee.
Oh God, I hope there's no pun intended there.
Pun intended means a joke or play on words that is meant on purpose. For example, I told my friend that I'm reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Pun intended. Or when the chef said, let us celebrate. Lettuce. It was a pun intended.
It's impossible for them to fathom. Especially like with me when
Fathom means to understand something fully. For example, I cannot fathom why she left the party early, or it's hard to fathom how big the universe really
But
is.
that's the thing with Indian movie stars. I think there's a certain enigma and an aura.
Enigma means something or someone that is mysterious or hard to understand. For example, Mona Lisa's smile is an enigma, or she is an enigma. Nobody knows what she's thinking.
Aura that is part and parcel because I think the
Part and parcel means something that is essential or unavoidable part of something else. For example, homework is a part and parcel of school life, or traffic is a part and parcel of living in a big city. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning these amazing words and phrases. And remember, the more you practice, the better you will get at using them in your daily life. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy ways to learn English. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.